Just wait, give me 1 minute and I will teach you English in a very simple way. In this class, I will teach you some tricks so that you can speak English, you can tell anyone speak English, okay? And today our topic is past indefinite tense. In this class, I will teach you what is past indefinite tense. If you ever talked about past things, suppose yesterday something happened with you, now you want to tell these things to your friends, to your fathers or anyone, you can tell. You can easily tell these things by learning the past indefinite tense, okay? So here I am going to teach you the past indefinite tense. First, I will teach you the structure. If you can remember this structure, you can learn everything, you can make everything, and you can make hundreds of sentences without any hesitation if you just remember this structure, which is subject plus V2. Here V2 means past form. V2 means past form, okay? So I think you are getting my point. Subject plus V2, so past form here. So now I am going to write some example. Suppose if I write here, I went to school. I went to school. Did you go to school? Yes, you went to school. So this is past indefinite tense. So it is so easy. And if I write another sentence, I went to college. I went to college. So did you go to college? Yes, you did. You went to college. Now, if I write another verb, which is I ate dinner. Okay. So did you take your dinner? Yes. So you ate your dinner. So this is so easy. Just look here. I use subject, then I take V2. So here subject V2. That's enough to make any past indefinite tense. Then we have subject V2, subject V2. Okay. So I think you understand this topic. And before this class, I taught you what is present indefinite. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. These four things I taught you already. If you didn't watch my that videos, please watch those videos that I have already taken in this channel. Okay, just after finishing this video, watch this video so that you can improve your speaking as well as you can improve your listening. Okay, so now today I have come to this tense, which is past tense. I have taught everything about present tense. Okay, so here I am going to write another example so that you can understand. So if you are watching this video, you are not only learning past indefinite, but also you are improving your speaking as well as listening. Okay, you are getting my point. You are understanding this video so easily. So you are an intelligent person. You can speak English. You can improve your speaking one day or someday. Okay, and do you think that you can improve your speaking English or your listening by watching movie or song? Do you think that? It is not okay. It is not going to be happen because it is not easy. If you are going to watch English movies or songs, that's very hard. Why? It is hard because they are speaking so fast, so you cannot understand them. Okay, so that's why if you are the beginner of English journey, of your English journey, welcome to this class. Welcome to this class. In this class, you can learn English, you can speak English, you can learn how to speak English, how to make sentences. I will teach everything. I will give you everything that you need for English. Okay, so now I'm going to write something about past indefinite tense. Here is the auxiliary verb which is did. There is a auxiliary verb which is did in past indefinite tense. Okay, So now I am going to write a negative sentence in past indefinite, which is suppose I did not go to school. I did not go to school. Okay, so you have to remember these things very easily, that when you are using do, does, did, when you are using these things do, does, did, you cannot use any other forms of verb. You have to use the base form of the verb. Okay, suppose you can see here, I did not go school. So this is a past indefinite tense, isn't it? Okay, so this is past indefinite tense, but I didn't use the V2 here. I didn't use V2. Why? Because I used did. So did means past. Did indicates the past. So I did not make any other things or make any other verb to in this sentence. Okay, so that's why when you are using did, do, does, did, remember these things: do, does for present indefinite and did for past indefinite. When you are using these things, suppose I don't like you, I don't like you, I don't go there, I don't love this class. Like this, you can say lots of things. Okay, so and she doesn't like this video, she doesn't go there, she doesn't eat rice, she doesn't go to school, she doesn't sleep at night. So these things, so when you are using do, does, did, you cannot use any other forms. Okay, you have to remember this. You have to use V on. So V on means base form. V on means base form. So you always have to use the base form of the verb. Now I am going to give you some example so that you can clear these things. Okay, and this is English, where I am speaking English so that you can improve yourself. Suppose if I write that I did not know, I did not know how to speak English, how to speak English. So this is a sentence, and this sentence is related to all of you. So here you can see I did not know. So here I use the base form. I use the base form. Why? Because I use did. So if you see anywhere do, does, did, you cannot use any other form. So that is the secret in this present tense or past tense, present indefinite or past indefinite. So I think this tense is also clear. Now I am going to take another example so that you can clear these things again. Suppose she does not like me. So here you can see like. So here he is third person and plus singular, third person singular, but I didn't use likes. Why? Because I used does. So that's why I didn't use likes. If I use likes, then I cannot use like. Okay, so he does not like me. I cannot say that he does not likes me. If I say he does not likes me, that's a wrong sentence. Okay, the correct sentence is he doesn't like me. Now I am giving you a question. You have to answer these questions properly. The question is very clear here. Rafiq does not, DOESNT, does not loves you. So what is the mistake? What is the mistake in this sentence? You have to find that. Okay, so if you really want to improve your English, you have to practice with me. If you just watch my videos, it will not work. Okay, you have to practice with me and you have to repeat with me so that you can improve your listening as well as speaking. Okay, and here you can see I have completed the past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is so easy. Just remember these things. Subject plus V2. Subject plus V2 means past indefinite. Subject plus V1 means present indefinite. Subject, shall, will plus V1 means future indefinite. So first I will teach you the indefinite tense, then continuous, then perfect continuous. Okay, tense is so easy, very easy. Step by step I will teach you everything. Just stay with me. Okay, so tomorrow I will teach you what is past continuous. Okay, I will complete past tense, then I will take future tense. So tomorrow I will teach you past continuous. And in my previous class I taught you what is past present perfect continuous. Before that I taught you present perfect. Before that I taught you present continuous. Before that I taught you present indefinite. So if you didn't any of them, please watch these videos so that you can improve your tenses, also speaking, listening, everything. Okay, and also this is a challenge for 100 days. 100 days like this I will make video so that you can improve your English, also I can improve my English. Okay, there is no cut in this video, so I am just open my camera and I am just making this video. Maybe there are some mistakes that I have done in this video, so I don't worry about these things. I'm just making my I'm just speaking and I'm just making my content so that you can also inspire by watching this video. Okay, and I have done a mistake. Okay, I have done a mistake intentionally in this video and you have to find that mistake so that I can take it that you have watched my video carefully. Okay, so no more today, we will see in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you really want to watch my videos, don't forget to subscribe, otherwise you cannot get my next video. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to share your opinion about these videos and about this course, and also there are lots of course available in my playlist, and also you can check the course list. There are lots of course for you which is totally free. Thank you.